if you want to get the always on display feature on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now the Redmi 15C does not support the always on display feature, but if you want to get the always on display feature on your Redmi 15C, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Draw over the apps. From this app list, just look for the Movies app and tap on Movies Edge. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back. And from here, just select AOD. And from here, just select the always on display style which you like. Now there are some always on display styles which are free, and there are also some always on display styles which are paid. As you can see, the always on display styles which are marked with a star are paid. Now just select any always on display style which you like. For example, I will select this one. Then tap on Apply. And after you do that, then press the power button and lock your smartphone. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled always on display on our Redmi 15C. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.